Hello everybody. On my hour's exercise, and I thought you might like to have a look at this pre-World War II, pre-radar. This is what they was hoping was going to give early warning to aeroplanes coming across. This was literally just before radar come in. Obviously, when radar come in, it was with chain home and all that. It was far superior. But I do think I remember reading that there's had a certain amount of success with it, and it's been proven recently on a history program. I remember seeing it a while ago, and it's proven that it wasn't as effective as radar. Even though our radar was very in its early stages, we did actually have the best radar, and it gave us a fair amount of warning, enough warning to get our Hurricanes and our Spitfires to confront the German planes coming across before they come inland and bombed us. But anyway, this is what's called a sound. Well, I'll call it a sound radar, but it's a great big 30-foot, maybe 35-foot dish, and it works on a similar idea to a satellite dish, and a microphone would be placed roughly up here somewhere, I should imagine, and the sound would bounce off into the microphone. And as I say, that they did have some success, but I think we're talking minutes, you know, rather than tens of minutes with the radar. But it was that was the technology at the time, and it worked. And it is all it is reinforced concrete with a. I mean, it's been damaged now, but you've got to, you know, this is like 80, 90 years old now, and apart from people have chipped it out and such like, and tagged it, and as you can see, it's quite a big dish. But how basic it was, it still worked. Get it again. Anyway, I thought I'd show you this. We come over here. As you can see, this it points right over, focuses over there. I doubt if you can make it on the camera. I can just vaguely see it with the eye, but there used to be a building here. Oh, go on, Amy. There used to be a building here. As you can see, it's sort of like. And there's also, I believe, just up there, that's an observation building, rather than a gun emplacement. But there is a gun emplacement. Just down there. And as you see, there's a little pathway goes down to it, which I ain't going down today because it's quite a long way down. And just down there is where the Warren finishes, and the Warren's right over there. Folkestone Harbour's just there. Up behind the Warren is Capel, Le Fern. But yeah, I hope that don't make you feel sick looking down like that. It certainly don't bother me. Heights don't bother me, but yeah, and that's a gun emplacement to protect all along the shore here. There's gun emplacements dug into the cliffs in several places along the shore here. Some of them have usually got like a little cave in the back to so they could run in for protection. And there's plenty of underground tunnels all around here, which I'm sure that there is some around here. That you know they would have somewhere to go and take shelter if they've been attacked. Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd just show you what was it, pre-radar, and it's a system that works. And there is actually a couple over on the east of the castle that you can actually visit now, and they've actually opened up the tunnels that go with it, which is well worth going to see. But it does cost you money, obviously. But yeah, the ones on the other side of Dover are actually, there's a couple of them. And they're smaller than this, but they had some degree of success. Pre-radar. Anyway, I thought you might enjoy that. And where's my little girl? Let's go. Yeah. Anyway, if people are watching who don't know me, I know I've got a lot of friends and family who basically watch me at the moment and support me. I like they enjoy my videos. Shout out to everyone. Hey, look. But this is Amy. Yeah. Also known as Mrs. Puddles and Scruffy Bear, and one or two other naughty names that I won't say on the internet on my YouTube channel. But yeah, she's a 11-year-old Yorkie, and she goes everywhere with me. She's my little partner in crime, and she's got so many people in my street know her. I think more people know Amy than they actually know my name. They may know me, but they may not know my name, but they certainly all seem to know Amy's name. I think I'm the man with the dog called Amy. But yeah, she's a sweet little thing, and she goes everywhere with me. She's 11-year-old, and I think she's got a bit of a sore, my poor ear at the moment. She keeps on drooping her right, got a bit of a poorly ear at the moment, I should say. Keeps drooping her right ear, so I think she's going to have to go for a little visit to the vet, which I don't mind because her health is vitally important. Anyway, yeah, so I'll just give you the last look out to sea. I've walked up from the dish, and there we go. What a beautiful. I don't know if you can see a train just going in, across the Warren there. There's a railway line goes through several tunnels into Folkestone. But yeah, that's the view from up here. White Cliffs of Dover. And we're just west of Dover. You can maybe see in the background, just beyond the concrete dish there. That's one of the ferries that scurry across the channel. Shout out to them, the seamen on them, because they're still working and they're bringing in our, bringing in our food and anything we need. So shout out to them. I believe I already made a video shouting out the docks and the seamen and the lorry drivers as well. But another shout out to them. Anyway, I better finish my exercise. Only got an hour. But keep well, and I'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. All done. It's up to you. Speak to you soon.